Hello everyone. The late Namhla Mtwa is trending again on Twitter. It's been 11 months, almost a year, since Namhla Mtwa was allegedly brutally killed by her boyfriend, Major Bhekuzulu Mfesane. The sad part is that no one has been arrested for murdering this young woman. The hashtag Justice for Namhla is gaining momentum again, and people won't allow this case to be swept under the carpet. The Twitter user that goes by the name IG Joy Zelda tweeted about Namhla and wrote, "Her name is Singwa Namhla and was shot 9 times on the driveway in Stratwa in Mthatha because she was trying to leave an abusive relationship with Major Bhekuzulu Mfesane." It's now 11 months, still no arrest. Another tweet read as follows: "The face of the abuser. This is Major Bhekuzulu Mfesane who killed Namhla Mtwa. Still today, he's a free man, carrying on with his life and businesses. No arrest. Remember her name, Namhla Mtwa. She deserves it." This Twitter user also revealed that Namhla's sister is still hiding after speaking out about her sister's abuser. A screenshot that was posted reads as follows: "I wonder for how long I'm gonna live like this, how long I'm gonna be away from home, how long I'm gonna live my life with terms and conditions, how I'm supposed to be okay being away from my family, how long will it take me to be me again? How long must I suffer? For what more can I do? What do I do? I miss having a normal life. I miss my family. I miss being around people I love. I miss being loved. I miss being Sangha. I miss me. I'm hurting so much today. I want to numb the pain." It is indeed very sad shame that no one has been arrested. No wonder people are always drinking hlehle for being useless. People are dying. No one is arrested for committing such crimes. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.